Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this Milkmaid top I'm wearing right here. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have here a silk fabric. So this is a leftover of my aunt, so binigay lang niya sa akin. And then we have here the measurements. We have the upper front piece, dalawa yung ikakat natin ganto, and for the second piece is the back piece, isa lang ang ikakat natin na ganto, and for the third one is the lower front piece, which is dalawa yung ikakat natin na ganto. And for the last is for the straps. Apat yung ikakat natin kasi apat yung straps. And for the sewing steps, guys, is we're going to sew a loose stitch to gather yung ating, ito yung first or the upper front piece natin. So we're going to make some gatherings. Ipupull lang natin yung isang thread niya para mag-gather yung ating fabric. And then taran, we have now the gathered fabric. So make sure na i-gather din yung isa kasi itatahin natin together facing right to right side. So we're going to sew a regular stitch, hindi yung sa loose stitch na ginamit natin kanina. Iba back to normal stitch natin siya. And then we're now going to sew it. And for the next step, guys, is we're now going to top stitch dun sa ginather natin kanina para hindi siya magbalon-balon sa may part ng bust natin. And after natin i-top stitch, guys, ayan, we're now going to mag-gather ulit tayo dyan sa may baba niya para pantay siya, diba? After natin gather yung sa may baba niya is we're now going to pin the lower front piece. Yung lower front piece natin kanina. Ayan, so ipipin lang natin siya and then we're now going to sew it later. So, bali guys, same steps lang tayo sa kabila, okay? And we're done with the front piece na. So, we're now going to proceed on the back piece. For the back piece, guys, we're going to double hem it first sa may width part niya. Kahit wag na dun sa may side part niya, okay? And to make it smocked, we're going to sew it with elastic thread inserted on the bobbin. And kung naubusan man kayo ng elastic thread dun sa may bobbin nyo, is if you fill up nyo na lang again. And then we're going to start sewing 2 inches dun sa previous stitch natin. And don't forget na mag-back stitch tayo para mag-lock, para mag-lock yung tinatag natin. And before natin i-attach yung back piece natin, guys, we're going to sew first dun sa my bottom part niya. And then we're going to cut out the armhole part. And then we're now going to put inside yung back piece natin, and then we're going to pin it at the sides. And to make sure guys to leave the armhole open para dyan natin ilalabas yung right side niya, okay? Yay! We're done! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share it to your friends. So let's now see the final look.